Hi guys, I am Riem and today I'm super excited to introduce you to the new KMS MOISTREPAIR Solid Shampoo. This shampoo contains aloe vera, which is known for active ingredients such as minerals, vitamins and amino acids. It's making it a great source for extra nourishment, and it is Ecocert Certified. So let me quickly show you how easy it is to use it. You start by shortly putting the bar under running water. Then you rub it in between your hands to create a nice and creamy foam. You spread it evenly on wet hair and rinse it thoroughly. As you can see, for me, it has the same amazing performance you know from our KMS liquid shampoos. After using it, you can leave the bar to air dry or store it in the KMS keeper, which also allows you to travel with your new favorite. And well, that's it. Just that simple. The great thing is that not only is it super convenient, it has also a minimum impact on the environment. It has 7 times less water than a liquid shampoo. It has a high percentage of natural ingredients and biodegradability. It is free from all nasties, and beyond that, it does not contain any animal-derived ingredients. The small size of the bar helps to reduce the CO2 emission during transportation. I can't wait for you to try out the MOISTREPAIR Solid Shampoo. Check it out!